Carbon 4 Barrage. Welcome back! Another day, another pickleball content day today. April 6. Kasi kahapon Easter Sunday. Today is Monday. 6:30 na. Nag-start na yung open play namin 30 minutes ago. Ayan yung mga players namin sa likod. And if you guys wanna join us, lagay ko na lang yung link dito or sa baba ng reclub namin. Sali kayo sa amin. Masaya dito. Promise. Another mic top session ulit tayo ngayon kasi kahapon yung Easter Sunday, yung all 3 games ko, ni-record ko. Tapos kanina umaga, actually nung kinagabihan, in-edit ko na. So sobrang nag-enjoy ako. So ulitin ko ulit yung ganong session na mic top, tapos may mga commentary. Sobrang nakakatawa kasi. Samahan nyo na lang ako ulit today as I play pickleball. Let's go! Game 1. Sa lang to. Ay ka muna sa camera. Nice! Yours, bro. Nice. Out. 0-0-2. Yours, bro. Yours. Oy. Side out. 0-0-2. Yan. Crazy! Pasok, pasok. Good, good, good.
Deserve yun.
Testing lang. Kakabalik ko lang eh. Yours, bro. Nice. Ganda. Sorry. Taas ng bigay ko. Oh. Sorry. Oy, sayang. Nice.
Coating siya mamaya.
Tama na.
Spin mo yung spin. Spin, yeah!
Grabe. Nice. Good job. Bounce pala dapat. My God. Sorry. Out na yun eh. Uy! Linya! Linya!
Shot, shot, shot.
Uy, sayang. Uy! Uy, pasok! Nice love. Oh! Nice try, nice try. Side out. Nice. Good job. Nine seven. Bang. Yours, bro. Kitchen. 9. Nine. 892. Good. Walk, man. 9-9. Uy. Drop, drop. Sayang. Boom. Bawal na magkamali. Bawal na magkamali. 9-9. Oh my God. Pasok lang sa box. Nice. Linya. Sino na serve?
Side out, side
Ah,
out.
side. In yun eh. Linya eh. Shot eh. Second siya eh. Ah, in. Okay. Roll the clip. Roll the clip. in eh. Linya. In no. In. Shot. Oh. Side out na oh. Yours, bro. Whoa! Unbelievable pickleball. Isa pang screwball. Ay, my gosh. Juice. Out. Out. Oh my God. Good. Bang! Ball. ulit. Sige, ulit. Good game. Oh my God. What a first game. Nice game. Okay. Game 1. Post-game analysis. Grabe. What a first game. Umabot sa juice ng 10-10. And eventually, gumana yung screwball natin. Nakakuha tayo ng points. Sila Christine, grabe. Sobrang galing din nila. Sobrang ganda ng placement. And yung height advantage, yung isa, grabe. Then, kudos to my partner, si Hans, fellow Yaris boys. Ganda nung game na pinakita. Sa akin, sobrang pagod ako. Parang yung katumbas nung game 1, parang 3 games na agad. Pagod. Sobrang solid, wika. Yan lang. So, let's go. Game number 2. Game 2. Let's go. Three points. Play first serve. Sila muna. Let's go. Na nga. Okay, 0-0-2. Oh my God! Sorry. Good job. Nice serve. Spin that shit. Nice serve. In. Ace. Nice serve. Baseline. Out. Nice try. Nagagalit na si Jess. Alas, pati bumabackspin na. Oy! Outside. Nice try. Okay lang. Nice. Good. Ay, ganda. Galing. Ganda placing. Side out. Nice serve. Baba. Harirang. Outside. Ace! Wala nang spin yun, ha? Down the line. Out. Nice serve. Baba. Out. Nice. Ay, sorry. Nice serve. Ganda. In. Baseline. Ganda. Let's go. Nice. Out. Sorry. Gosh! Wrong court. Sorry. Maulod. Asa? Let's go, Jez. Let's go. Let's go, let's go. Pasukan ng pawis yung mata ko. Go, Jez! Sorry, sorry, sorry. I'm sorry. Nice serve. Butas! Ah, tapos na! Tapos na pala. Distractions. Okay, so game 2, post game. So nanalo kami ulit. Maganda yung laban kasi gumana na yung mga spin ko. Wala masyadong error. And ang ganda rin ng mga serve. Especially si Jess, Baba. Si Clarice medyo alalay din sa game kasi may injury pa siya. Yung ako rin, medyo alalay pa rin sa games. Pero overall, sobrang ganda ng turnout ng game. Lalaro kami ulit for game 3. Pero sana shuffle kami ulit. Yeah, see you on game 3. While waiting, sound check muna natin tong Wika. Wika Air QD Gold Edition 16mm full foam paddle. Let's go. Sound check. Sound check series. J2NF Honolulu Pickleball 16mm foam. Sound check. Let's go. Okay, sound check series. Yula Hyperion for 16mm. Sound check. Let's go. Sound check series. Gearbox 2. Power elongated. 16mm din ata to. Sound check. Sound check. Selkirk Lux. Ganda ng kulay. Blue. Sound check. Sound check. BNB. Loco. Elongated 16mm full foam paddle. Ganda ng edge guard. Sound check. Let's go. Sound check. Luz Pro ZZ Blade. Sound check. Let's go. Game 3. Let's go. Game 3, panalo kami ulit. It was a very good game. Sobrang daming overheads, dami rin good spins na serve. Grabe. Sobrang ganda ng game na yon. Action-packed. Ganda nung turnout. So, kakampi ko si Wijo, naka-BNB Loco. Tapos si Casey, yung opponent ko. Enjoy. So, baka mag-game 4 pa ako. Let's see sino makakalaban natin. Okay, so wala nang game 4 kasi 9:45 na kanina. So, last game na nung iba. Ako, pipila pa ako. That's it for today. Our Monday, April 6 pickleball session from game 1 to game 3 na videohan ko. Pero yung game 3, hindi ko na on yung mic. Sorry. Pasensyahan nyo na. Na-excite ako. Yeah, so if umabot kayo sa part ng video na to, you can comment down below basketball. Diba? Para maguluhan sila. Pickleball yung content pero basketball. Comment down below basketball para alam kong nanood kayo from start to finish. And if you guys wanna buy Eversince merch, you can always buy our merch at www.eversince-streetclub.com. Don't forget the dash. Baka sa'yo mapunta. And as always, this has been Jerome Monastrial. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Johnny!